What's going on, everybody? We're out here at Sasquatch Provincial Park with my friend Graydon, riding his V-Star 650. I'm on the FZ6, you know it. And today we're gonna go ride through the valley. It's some beautiful roads. On the way here, we got used to them, got familiar with them. But today we're gonna show you some windies and some twisties. We've got some nice uphill sections to hopefully fly through if we don't get any traffic. But come along for the ride. We're gonna find the fun. Let's go. Leaving Sasquatch Provincial Park, headed south, you wind along a coastal road built right next to the southern end of Harrison Lake. The road isn't in the best of condition, and the sight lines are very limited at times due to rolling hills and tight corners. The road flows nicely, but at the time of recording, the road had two torn up strips, which made for a surprise on the ride into the park. Besides the random construction, the road has a tight darting path mixed with technical elevation changes, which makes for some fun. Look too long at that beautiful turquoise water and before you know it, you'll be swimming. Not a single guardrail or tree here between the road and the water. The road spits you out onto the main drag of Harrison Hot Springs. From there we took the Agassiz Highway headed south. The road is straight and flat leaving Harrison, but shortly thereafter you catch a wonderful hillside section of the road as the highway leaves the low plains and climbs a mountainside to pass the Fraser River. It's a well-engineered section with about 5 tight corners through the 2-lane section headed south. The road straightens out again after the twisty bits, but this leads into another picturesque view crossing the Harrison River. As we continue on down Highway 7, the road generally follows the Nickomen Slough, which parallels the Fraser River. This road doesn't lend anything particularly exciting to a motorcyclist at this point, but the lack of traffic and the open countryside makes for a relaxing time with good company. Thanks to Graydon for joining me on this adventure into the unknown, and thanks to everyone here for watching. As always, have a good day and ride safe.